In this video, I'm going to show you how to download apps on your MacBook Air. So I'm going to show you two different ways that you can go and download apps to your computer. Now, the first method is by using the App Store. So if you come down to your taskbar, you'll see this icon called the App Store, and you can go and click on this to open up the app. Now, if you can't find this from the taskbar, then you can always come up to the top navigation and click on the search box, and then you can just go and type in App Store, and you can go and select the App Store from here. And once you've opened this, it will look something similar to this. So what you can do is you can go and download apps directly from here. Now, over on the left-hand side, this is where you'll have all of your different categories, and you can also click on categories from the left-hand side, and you can see there's even more categories to choose from. So let's say, for example, I wanted to download a travel app. I can go and click on this, and here's all the different apps that we can download. Now, there are some paid ones, but most of these are free. So you can see here it will say free apps, and I can go and select any of these to download them. Now, if there's a specific app that you're looking to download, you can click on the search box and you can just go and search for that specific app. Now, once you've found the app that you want to download, just go and click on the Get button next to the app. You can then press Install, and then you'll just need to enter the password to your Mac computer, and then you can press Sign In. Now, once your app's finished installing, you can go and click on the Finder in the bottom left-hand side of your Mac. You can then click on Applications from the left-hand side, and here you'll find all of the different apps on your computer. Now, to go and open this, just go and double-click on the app you want to open, and as you can see, this will open the app on your computer. Now, the second way to download apps is you can go and open up Safari on your Mac like this. And then you can use the search box to go and search for the app that you want to download. So I'm going to type in Steam, which is a gaming app. And then at the end of your search, just go and type in the word download. And then you can go and click on the top website that appears, and it's going to give you the option to download the app directly from here. So I'm going to click on this Install button. Once this is finished downloading, you can go and click on the download icon in the top right hand side of the browser, and you can go and open up your downloaded file. It's then going to ask you to drag the application into the applications folder like this. And once you've done that, that will begin installing to your Mac computer. So once you've done that, you can just come back over to your Finder and click on Applications. And as you can see, here is the app that we just downloaded, and you can go and click on Open from here. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.